In this question, you will listen to a short lecture. You will then be asked to summarize important information from the lecture. After you hear the question, you will have 20 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak.
Listen to a lecture in a sociology class, then answer the question on page 25.
In the last quarter of the 19th century, the United States witnessed the emergence of industrialization and the compelling rise of big business. As a result, the number of people moving to cities grew at a dramatic rate. To cope with this sudden population upsurge, new residential areas were built. Between 1880 and 1900, the number of people living in cities went up by about 15 million. Many of those people were immigrants from Eastern and Southern Europe who had left the Old World to flee from political and religious persecution. In the United States, they could easily find jobs in factories or shops. Some of them helped to build bridges or lay railroad tracks. During the same period, a steady stream of people from rural America also moved to cities. According to the Census Bureau, nearly 40% of the small towns and villages in the United States lost population due to mass exodus to larger towns. Cities soon had to grapple with problems linked to their disorderly growth. The lack of infrastructure led to the creation of new communities, known as suburbs, beyond the cities. Their proliferation had a dramatic impact on day-to-day life. Prior to the 19th century, most workers were used to living only a few minutes away from their workplace. They now had to get used to traveling in and out of the cities for work. The cities and their neighboring suburbs became the centers of community life, especially for immigrant population groups who strove to sustain their cultural heritage by practicing their customs and traditions. The cities helped to lay the foundation for today's multi-ethnic, multicultural American society.
Please say your response into the microphone after the beep.